The damage you see on this foundation was caused by tree roots. The trees are only 7 to 8 years old, yet you'll notice how large the roots are and how much they have affected the foundation. And also how close they are to the foundation. To fix this, we needed to dig out the loose pieces, remove the roots, clean the surfaces, and then epoxy them back to the original foundation. Once the epoxy cured, we were able to fill the rest of the voids and blend with a structural mortar in order to have a stronger bond that will last. Do you have these issues on your foundation? If so, call Anew Damage Restoration for your foundation repair needs.